How to schedule messages in Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to Apex. In today's video, we'll be talking about a new Instagram feature called Schedule Messages. Now this is a really new feature and also a really useful one. So before I teach you guys about it, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. So now let's begin. The first thing you will need to do is open up your Instagram. After you open up your Instagram, you can head over to your DMs of any friend. So you can imagine that this friend's birthday is tomorrow. And if you want to text him but you do not want to wake up till late, this is what you can do. In these cases and other cases such as New Year's and birthdays, anniversaries, this is a really useful feature. So for this, I'm just going to write happy birthday. To use the schedule feature, what you'll need to do is long press on the send button. Now after you do that, you will simply be able to schedule these messages. So I'll just schedule it for tomorrow. So let's do this and send tomorrow at 00. So I'll just set that here. And as you can see right here, it's showing me one scheduled message. So if I tap on it, I can remove it if I want to. I can long press on it and delete it now, or I can send it right now as well. So that is how you can schedule messages in Instagram, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.